This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. This week's hot happenings. And check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, dancehall sensation Sean Paul has released his new album Scorcha, and it's the right sizzling hot temperature. The project is Sean Paul's 8th studio album and follows the Grammy-nominated Live and Livin, released in 2021. Scorcha includes collabs with international heavyweights Gwen Stefani, Dolla Sign, and Tove Lo, as well as Jamaican superstars Damian Marley and Shenseea. Recording artiste Shaggy was awarded with an honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from Brown University in the United States. During his acceptance speech, Shaggy spoke of his upbringing in Rae Town, Kingston, and highlighted some of his dancehall and reggae idols, including Jimmy Cliff, Bob Marley, Yellowman and Super Cat. Shaggy ended his speech with a performance of the hits Boombastic, Angel, and It Wasn't Me, as the graduating class sang along enthusiastically. It was a ceremony to remember. Still in local entertainment, dancehall artiste Spice is celebrating the streaming success of her hit songs. Some Like It, which is the most streamed solo hit by a female dancehall artist in history, as well as her collaborative effort Godonde, featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul. Godonde is her top streaming song on Spotify, with more than 57 million hits and almost 85 million YouTube views. Some Like It has been viewed more than 106 million times on YouTube, streamed more than 54 million times on Spotify, and more than 2 million times on Shazam. Spice has been making her mark everywhere, and we're here for it. In international entertainment, we've all heard about it in some way or the other. It's been all over social media and international news sites. It's the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation case. After a long drawn-out and sometimes entertaining battle over the defamation case, this week a jury ruled in favor of actor Johnny Depp in his libel lawsuit against ex-wife Amber Heard. The ruling justified Johnny's stance that Amber fabricated claims she was abused before and during their short marriage. The jury also ruled in favor of Amber, who said she was defamed by Depp's lawyer when he called her abuse allegations a fraud. We wish the couple all the best on their separate endeavors after this case is fully settled. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds takes a walk with the late and great Phyllis Dillon, one of the very first women to stimulate and mold rocksteady into what it is today. In what was a male-dominated era of reggae music, Dillon was a household treasure. She was born on December 27, 1944 in Linstead, St. Catherine, and attended the Linstead Primary School, where she entered various singing contests. Phyllis Dillon's greatest influences were said to be American singers Connie Francis, Patti Page and Dionne Warwick. She was spotted by Duke Reid's session guitarist during a live performance with the Vulcans group at the Glass Bucket Club in Kingston, and the rest was history. Duke Reid's Treasure Isle soon became her second home and was where her first single Don't Stay Away in 1966 was recorded. And that's your bite for this week on the late Phyllis Dillon. Tune in next week, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, this Saturday, June 4, make your way to a round robin with a difference at Whispering Hills Club and Center, 12 to 14 Hamilton Plaza, Red Hills. Guest artist Pete Metro. Showtime 9 p.m. Catch Cooling Saturdays on June 4 at Offshore Lounge and Restaurant, Consumer Plaza Rooftop, Constant Spring Road. DJ Edson will be spinning all the hits you love. Admission is free. Go check out the melodious vocal duo Egyptian and Kalia in their new release I'm For You. It's got all the lovely vibes for you weekend. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.